Welcome back. In this lecture, we will see how to bypass login page using SQL injection. Attacker can also try to inject its own special SQL query on inside the login page in order to bypass the login page, because what happens is sometimes login pages are also vulnerable to SQL injection. If the login page is vulnerable to SQL injection, then an attacker can easily bypass that authentication mechanism. Now let's see how we can do login page SQL injection. Now let's perform SQL injection on login pages. Here you can see that BWAP web application. So this is the application which we have used while testing SQL injection. If I just go here, you will see a login pages. Let's open up login page. Hit hack button to submit. Here is the login page is vulnerable to SQL injection. Here you can see that we are not logged in. Let's try another random credentials and let's see whether it works or not. Here you can see that it has displayed wrong username or a password. Let's see the query inside the PHP file. We can see the query here. Copy it up and paste it here. Here you can see that this is the query which is executing at the backend. Select start from user where name is admin123 and password is 12345, which means it's doing a comparison between the user supplied input or between the data which is present in the database. Now in order to bypass this login page, what we can do is we can do a small trick in order to inject some SQL payload to server application confused. So what we can do is, here is the place of username. So if I just write here admin123 single quote or 1 equals to 1, it means we are closing this field name by just here admin123, and I am adding another condition that is 1 equals to 1. So as we all know that 1 equals to 1 and it's a universal truth. This will remain true, and by adding our operator, this will not matter that whether this part should be true or not. If this is true, or condition will become true. So in the place of password, I just add here something admin or 1 equals to 1 and in the place of name. Okay, our query is ready. Select start from user where name is admin123, okay, or 1 equals to 1. If this will not true, then this will be true, and the password should be password. This will not true, this part will always true. 1 equals to 1. Let's try to add this our input. So admin123 single quote or 1 equals to 1, copied up, paste it here. Click on submit. Here we are. We are successfully able to logged in, and you can see that our injected query which is executed at the backend. Okay, so this was a small example that how we can bypass login pages using SQL injection. Okay, that's it in this lecture. Thank you and see you in next lecture.